Hey guys, what's up? So today we got a brand new video. So basically I'll be doing a review basically on BuildBots. So basically this is a website that is pretty amazing, guys. I done a lot of searching. I've been really interested in making my own games and apps and all that for the App Store and all that stuff. But what I realized is that in order to do that, you would need a lot to learn about. You would have to have knowledge of coding. So basically, like, a lot of knowledge about coding and programming, all that stuff, which is, you basically have to take classes, and that's a lot of money, and then just so much stuff, guys, like, just the code, it's a lot, like, of knowledge, a lot of classes, like I said, a lot of money. It's just basically know what you're doing. There's not a lot of people who can really do that. So BuildBots, basically, first I'll say I'm not a sponsor. They're not sponsoring me, anything like that. I'm actually just reviewing their product because I think it's pretty cool. So I've not actually tried it out yet, not downloaded it yet, but basically you can create games without coding. So basically they have all these kind of, like, there's so much, guys, that you don't realize that goes into making a game. That's why some companies update every couple months, or they don't update for years or whatever, because it takes a lot of time. Like making a game, creating an app, and it takes so long, like, and like updates, they usually add stuff, they fix bugs, and just find a bug, it's pretty hard, and then you gotta know what you're doing, and then just coding it to fix it, and you gotta test it out, make sure it works. It's a lot of work, and I never realized, like, all the work that went into coding and creating apps. And like I said, this BuildBots, you can basically create games without coding, but it's still pretty complicated. So this product does cost, there's three different payments. You have to pay $15 a month, $35 a month, or $99 a month. And with the $35 and $100 per month, you get all this everything bonus, whatever it's called. So this everything package. So basically, like, they have all these game effects. They basically have like hundreds of thousands of dollars spent on, like, game designs, the sound, the movement, the characters, just the format, the graphics, and it costs a ton of money for all that stuff. And, like, people don't realize that the enemies, or that's a character, that costs like $8 per character, and you gotta make it move, and that's maybe like 20 or maybe like $100 to move the character, or maybe $80 to move the character and to build and design the character. You have to get a programmer or a designer that design that, and then you gotta pay for the sound, and then you gotta pay for the each background, for graphic designer to do each background, and that, like, and with a lot of games with, like, different backgrounds, it costs a lot of money. And, it's a lot of work, a ton of work. But like I said, this right here, this website, I'll put down the link down in the description, basically makes it a lot easier. But, I mean, you do have to pay $35 or $15 or $100 a month. I mean, the one I saw that looked the best, honestly, I would think the $35, because it comes with the everything package, and the $15 doesn't, and $100 does too. But, I mean, I'd rather pay $35 than $100, but I'm pretty sure there's be some kind of difference. But so basically, when you're here, they have all this stuff for you to use. There's a big video on it. It's like 38 minutes long, and it tells you everything you need to know. So if you're really interested, I definitely suggest you watch it, and you see all of the. I watched it. It was definitely interesting. It took a long time to make apps and games, and there's so much to go into it that you don't even realize, and there's so much money. And from what it looks like I haven't tried it out yet, but this program looks amazing. Like, it looks, so basically you can't sell their products, but you could basically make profit off their stuff. Like, they give you, like, these game formats that were top #1 and that are just really, really fun to play. And all you really do is, like, you change the character, and then you could change, like, some stuff, change the character, and, like, there's so much freedom. And then you could change, like, just how the levels are. You could add scenes to, like, and like make your game, like, harder, or, like, continue on your game, and, like, add different scenes to make a game longer. So this does go on this BuildBots. You have to do it on Mac or on Windows. That'd be pretty cool if you could do it on your phone. That'd be awesome. But you need a Mac or Windows. You download it, and I guess you gotta pay them somehow, 15 or 35 or 100. But you go to this website and you tap on learn more, and all you do is register. So you put your email in, your first and last name, and then once you do that, it will actually bring you to right here. And right here it says make games without coding, and there's the video. So I don't really know what you do after this. I guess the download, because it says right here, go.buildbots.com/everything download. I'm on iOS on my iPhone. I'm not on a computer, so maybe that's not why there's no download, whatever. And I tap on read transcript, it doesn't go through. So maybe you're supposed to download it, or pay for it, or whatever. I don't really know, but I'm on iOS, so it's really really cool, guys. I mean, definitely check it out. Like if you, not even that, but the whole thing was that if you are definitely like interested in developing games and creating them, this is definitely something you should check out. And not even that, but like you could. This also, he has courses on like the creator and the CEO of this, the founder. He has courses that are really expensive, so I'm not sure. I mean, I'm not gonna like pay for them because they're really expensive. But I'm pretty sure they help you a lot. But my thing is that if you're really serious about this, I mean, you could do the courses. And it's a lot of money you got put down, and just do the transcript. And not the transcript, but do the download the program and pay for it. But if you're really serious about this, you could create apps, create games, and you could probably earn most of that money back, or I was even all that money back. And then as time goes on, you could also make a profit. So like if you have some extra money and you really enjoy doing game development and you want to create games, 'cause a lot of people do want to create games, but coding is really hard. But this, like I said, it's basically like you could code. I mean, you're basically not coding. You're basically creating games without coding, and I think it's a really good opportunity. Like I said, his classes are really really a lot of money, but teach you everything you need to know. But I mean, I don't really think they're worth those classes unless you're really serious about this. But I mean, if they're cheaper maybe. But definitely like download this program. It's amazing. They like anything that they have is free to use, and there's like there's like 20,000, 50,000 like game sounds, the sounds for everything. Like when you drop, like you touch like a coin, it's like a sound effect for that. You have to do a sound effect for that. So it's just like every little detail like is basically what goes into creating a game. And I'm really interested in doing this, so I might actually buy the program. But right now I'm just making a review on it and making a video. And if I do buy it, I'll definitely like show you how like what it's about and if it's definitely worth buying and like if it's all that good stuff. But like I said, I really can't promise anything because I haven't brought it yet, but it looks amazing, guys. Definitely go check it out. I mean, just definitely like when you guys sign up for it, definitely when you put your name in, your email in, definitely watch the video. He does a really amazing job with explaining every single like thing about the program. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys.